The human respiratory system consists of a complex set of organs and tissues that capture oxygen from the environment and transport it to the lungs. The organs constituting the respiratory system are the nose, the pharynx, the epiglottis, the larynx, the vocal cords, the trachea, the bronchi, the lungs, the alveoli, and the diaphragm. The nose filters the air we breathe in to remove dirt before the air enters the body. Inside the nose, air warms up and the sensory palps sense the smell. The pharynx is a muscular tube that carries air down into the windpipe. It also carries food to the gullet. The epiglottis is a leaf-shaped piece of cartilage that covers the top of the larynx during swallowing. The larynx sits on top of the windpipe. It has a backbone of cartilage which can be felt at the front of the throat. This is known as the Adam's apple and is more prominent in men than in women. The vocal cords are at the center of the larynx and make sounds when a person talks, sings, coughs, or hums. They are folds of the lining membrane that vibrate when air flows through them into the lungs. The trachea or windpipe is a passage for air to travel from the vocal cords to the lungs. It has ribs of cartilage to keep it open. The bronchi take air to the bottom of the lungs. They are also called bronchial trees because they are branched and look like the roots of a large tree. In the lungs, thousands of alveoli are present that extend from the bronchioles. Both the lungs are about the same size, except that the left lung has an indentation at the bottom that allows room for the heart. Alveoli are tiny air sacs that look like bunches of grapes hanging from a vine. The walls of the alveoli are thin, allowing the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the capillaries and the alveoli. The diaphragm is the main breathing muscle. It expands the lungs when it contracts, forcing air into the lungs.